How are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a very sound sleep.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Have you had your breakfast yet?
Yes, I just finished my breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had some bread and eggs.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am free at the moment.
What are your plans for today?
I have some work to finish.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am planning to stay at home and rest.
Where do you work?
I work at a local company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy what I do.
How do you go to work?
I usually go by bus.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am currently studying.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
When is your exam starting?
My exam starts next week.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea over coffee.
How do you take your tea?
I like it with a little bit of sugar.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook basic meals.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I prefer mild food.
Have you tried this dish before?
No, this is my first time trying it.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books or watch movies.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, music helps me relax.
What kind of movies do you like?
I mostly like comedy movies.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a walk every morning.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, I haven't traveled abroad yet.
Is it going to rain today?
The sky looks clear, so probably not.
How is the weather today?
The weather is very pleasant.
Do you need any help?
No thanks, I can manage it.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you know where the pharmacy is?
Yes, it is just around the corner.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am feeling fine.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my keys.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
I love to eat homemade food.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I really like sweets.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to stay at home?
Yes, I prefer staying at home.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love cats and dogs.
What is your favorite season?
I like winter the most.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I enjoy the sound of rain.
Do you like to read newspapers?
Yes, I read the newspaper every morning.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can meet in the afternoon.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the park.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free after 6 p.m.
Can I call you later?
Sure, you can call me anytime.
When will you be back?
I will be back in an hour.
Can you give me a hand?
Of course, I would be happy to help.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is a good friend of mine.
How do you know each other?
We studied together in college.
Can I join you?
Yes, please join us.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I will be there in 5 minutes.
How much does this cost?
This costs $20.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check if we have it.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is just down the street.
Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I need to buy some clothes.
Did you buy anything?
No, I didn't find anything I liked.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Is there a discount on this?
No, this item is at a fixed price.
What are you buying for him?
I am buying him a watch.
Do you like this dress?
Yes, it looks very nice on you.
Where is the billing counter?
The billing counter is right over there.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling much better now.
Do you have a headache?
No, I feel perfectly fine.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took it after breakfast.
Are you tired?
A little bit. It was a long day.
Do you need some water?
Yes, please. I am very thirsty.
Why are you looking sad?
I'm just a bit tired, that's all.
Are you happy with the result?
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you need to see a doctor?
No, I think I just need some rest.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I went for a run this morning.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone.
Can I have your phone number?
Sure, let me write it down for you.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I am active on Facebook.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I just received it.
Can you send me the photo?
Sure, I will send it right away.
Is the Wi-Fi working?
Yes, the connection is very fast.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is written on the wall.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, I use it for my work.
How often do you check your email?
I check it several times a day.
Are you busy on your phone?
No, I was just checking the time.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak a little English.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, your voice is very clear.
What does this word mean?
It means to be very happy.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I will say it again.
How do you spell your name?
It is spelled A-R-I-F.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I am absolutely sure.
Do you remember me?
Yes, we met at the party.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Where should I put this?
You can put it on the shelf.
What happened?
Nothing serious, just a small mistake.
Thank you for your help.
You are most welcome.
See you later?
Yes, see you soon.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Kitty.
Is it cold today?
No, it is quite warm.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I learned it last year.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love dark chocolate.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one elder brother.
Is your brother at home?
No, he is at work right now.
Do you like to sing?
I like to sing in the shower.
Can you play the guitar?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, pizza is my favorite fast food.
Where is your bag?
It is on the chair.
Are you hungry now?
A little bit. I need a snack.
What time is it?
It is almost 4 o'clock.
Do you like to dance?
No, I am a very bad dancer.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, be careful, it's very hot.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear them for reading.
What is your favorite flower?
I really like red roses.
Do you like to walk?
Yes, I go for a walk every evening.
Are you tired today?
No, I feel very energetic.